Guess who I have over here? Introduce yourself.
Hi,
G.
I look so dark.
G.
Hi.
Then let's turn.
No,
This is worse.
lighting's bad.
Okay.
No, that's horrible.
Okay, whatever.
Fine, give me some extra melanin.
Oh, gee! I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you something.
Yeah, but I didn't introduce myself.
Oh,
Hi
yeah.
guys, my name's Gosha.
Alright, bruh. Alright, bruh. Anyway, what did I tell you when we first started school? What did I say to you?
Oh, bro, that was a long time ago. What you mean? I don't know.
Okay, yeah, I said a lot of things, but what did I say? What was the one thing that I was like, yeah, this finna happen, my nigga?
You're gonna get a call.
Huh?
You're gonna get a call.
Yo. My nigga, yo.
Don't lie.
Huh?
Don't lie. Don't lie.
I'm not lying.
Okay, wait.
No, I haven't said anything.
Oh, okay.
We're just using the gravel road so that we get to the gate easier. I mean, faster. Hey, G. Hey, you better, man. Yay!
My tummy's like in a knot right now.
Whoa! Whoa!
Wait. Ow. Wait, is this your car?
Why are you laughing? I really don't know why she's laughing. My nigga, why are you laughing? Boban, check out the car. We've got wheelie in there. Okay. We've got a calendar. We've got an Oros bottle recycled. It's got water in there.
You're too OCD for that.
Huh?
You're too OCD to be having stuff like this in
Oh,
your
so
bag.
you don't think this is my car?
Nah.
Bro.
Open, let's see.
Yeah, I mean, I'm getting the key. I'm getting the key. Gosha, you think this is a joke, eh? What is this?
Who gave you
It's
this
just
car?
red.
Who gave you this car?
I bought it. You know this car cost me an arm and a leg.
The security thing will come off somebody's car.
I don't know why you're laughing. This was your problem. This better be recording.
My tummy.
Come in, Miguel. Come.
Is it safe?
Yeah, it's safe, but I just need to open from inside. No, Mina just opened from inside. Yo.
Wow.
You can't abuse the door handles.
You need, what's that thing that pimps people's cars?
Oh, pimp my ride.
Pimp my flipping ride.
Nah, you know I can legit walk past my crush in this car and I'll be happy. No, like for real.
Wow.
Yeah,
At least you got a car.
The girl.
And you ain't walking.
Oh, but it get me from point A to
To
point B.
One time.
But
I knew it was a car. That's the first thing you ever said to me. Like, listen, yeah, I'm gonna get a car. One time. Alright, Miguel.
So, Pella, even when I want to go see the boy, well, I get him a job.
Screw pull up.
No, but like, I don't have a boy, so I don't even know what I'm saying.
Oh, wow.
But yeah.
Oh, wow. What is
Didn't you like my
this
car?
car called?
It's a match. I don't know what year, but Wabana, it's nice. When it's hot and the sun has been touching the steering wheel, you can just warm your hands here because it's metal. And then when it's cold, you touch over here.
No, when it's hot, you touch over here. When it's cold and you need to warm up your hands, you
Oh,
touch
yeah.
over here.
When it's cold, you touch over here, yeah. Yeah. Gee. My nigga, this is a beautiful car. I like it.
Oh, wow. I'm so happy that you're so proud of yourself.
This car cost me an arm and a leg, bro. Yeah.
Buy it?
Huh?
Where did you buy it?
Nah, don't worry. I've got my connects.
Drop them. Drop all of them.
That's why you're just
Discard
laughing at me, aren't you?
No, my friend, I can't laugh at you. I don't have a car, honestly.
No, but she said she's getting a car.
Yeah, but I don't have it now.
Tina Sizo driver. Yay.
Have it now. At least you have a radio.
I don't need to bother my mom to borrow me the car. When
Yeah.
Dietl's got her own car.
Screw. You need... This car needs to go to the
My nigga,
car.
can you know we have to do a mukbang?
Yeah, we do, eh?
I don't even know where I put the camera.
Okay, guys, we're trying to make a stand.
Yeah.
Right.
Come close. Yeah. Oh, dig it.
Oh, my highlight looks nice.
Man, nigga, oh, your makeup is always on point. Like, bro.
But like now we dark. Chill.
Yeah, but it's okay. Was this your last exam?
Nope. I have an exam on Wednesday. I know. Is this your last exam? It must be nice.
Now you're getting into the hustling mode. I have to go find a job.
I already have one.
Oh, yeah,
Unfortunately.
Not unfortunately, fortunately. Oh, I don't want to go work at a restaurant. Because, like, imagine if a customer comes in and then orders something and then cancels it and it's already being prepared, then I have to pay for that.
That happens? I follow you to a damn house. You pay for that meal. That's crazy. But the thing is, I have to move this week. I have another exam. I have to move this week. I have to book my flights and everything. I have to book Katlako's flights. I have to look for another house.
Hey, I don't know, girl. Can you guys already play house?
One time.
Man, nigga.
One time play house, baby.
Alright, anyway. This is Dean Clem.
This is a new car.
Okay, thanks for taking the spotlight off of me.
I'm hungry.
Anyway, peace out, people. Dean Clem was on our vlogs. Stay tuned. Peace out. Yeah, this is G, by the way. Yeah. Boo!